In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make MetaTrader 5 black. If you prefer a dark, high-contrast workspace, switching MT5 to a black chart is quick and makes long sessions easier on the eyes. I'll walk you through the fastest way first, then show you how to create a custom dark theme if you want more control. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and selecting any chart window. The quickest route on a desktop is to right-click anywhere on the chart to open the context menu, then choose Properties. You can also press F8 on your keyboard to get there instantly. In the Properties window, go to the Colors tab. Under Scheme, pick Green on Black or Yellow on Black. Both options instantly apply a black background with contrasting candles and text. Green on Black gives you classic green bullish candles, while Yellow on Black boosts visibility with bright yellow elements. Click OK to confirm, and your chart background will switch to black right away. This change updates the active chart, so you can see the results immediately. If you want a custom look instead of a preset scheme, you can build a manual dark theme in the same Properties window. With the chart open, right-click, choose Properties, and go to Colors. Now set background to black. For grid, choose dark gray for subtle reference lines or none if you prefer a cleaner view. Set bull candle to green and bear candle to red so price direction is clear at a glance. When you're happy with those, click OK. MetaTrader lets you fine-tune almost every visual element, including the background, the candles, the grid, and the price lines, so you can adjust the contrast and style to your preference. If something looks too faint or too bright, just return to Properties and tweak the colors until it feels right. Once you've created a black theme you like, save it so you can reuse it later without repeating the steps. Right-click the chart, go to Template, choose Save Template, and give it a name, for example, Dark Chart. Saving a template preserves your color settings and makes it easy to keep a consistent look across your workspace. That's all you need to make MetaTrader 5 black. Use the preset scheme for speed, or dial in a custom dark theme for the exact look you want. With clearer contrast and reduced glare, your charts will be easier to read and more comfortable for extended analysis.